the bones.
Well, wait a minute, I want to address one more issue.
Sure.
Okay, when we were talking about the protocol about addressing extraterrestrials.
Oh, that's right, the individual protocol.
You said that it would be a very difficult thing for them to do when they were meeting their creator.
You bet.
Ladies and gentlemen, please hear me when I say this. You are a spiritual being first. Okay, you were alive, you were conscious, you were whatever you were and are long before physicality was created. Okay, you are not physicality first. That's a trap. You are so much more than that. And somehow, some way, we have to, all of us as a race, break out of this mold of that we're just physical flesh and bones. I know religions have pounded us with you are sinners and you are this. I want you to know that the Andromedans have told me that the word sin is a pre-Sumerian word and it meant genetic defect. It didn't mean evil, dark, bad-doing person. It didn't mean that at all. It meant genetic defect, that we are born in sin, born with a genetic defect because our DNA has been manipulated. I hope that puts some of this into perspective.